What if I told you that the biggest upgrade in Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't the display, the design, or even the cameras, but something far more crucial? Yes, we're talking about the battery. And this time, Samsung might have finally done what fans have been demanding for years. But there's a catch, and you'll want to hear this before getting too excited. For years, Samsung's Fold series has faced one major issue: battery life. Despite all the cutting-edge technology, the 4,400 mAh battery has remained unchanged since the Z Fold 3. That's 4 generations with the same capacity. Meanwhile, the competition, especially from Chinese brands like Oppo, Vivo, and Honor, has been pushing the limits of battery technology in foldables. And yet Samsung remained conservative. But now, leaks suggest that the Z Fold 7 is finally breaking this pattern. Reports indicate a possible battery upgrade, something we haven't seen in the Fold lineup for years. And the numbers? If true, this could be the biggest power boost Samsung has ever given a foldable. But here's where things get interesting. While the Flip lineup has been steadily increasing battery sizes, the Fold series has remained stagnant. The Z Fold 2 actually had a larger 4,500 mAh battery than its successors. So, is Samsung finally making up for lost time? Now let's talk about why this matters. The Fold 7 is expected to be thinner and lighter than any previous model. A larger battery would mean Samsung has figured out a way to improve efficiency while maintaining portability. That's a game changer. Combine that with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite, Samsung's rumored 200 megapixel camera upgrade, and a wider cover display, and you've got a foldable that might just redefine the category. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. If history tells us anything, battery upgrades in foldables always come with trade-offs. Whether it's slower charging speeds, reduced internal space, or even a price increase. So, will the Z Fold 7 finally deliver the all-day battery life users have been waiting for? Or is this just another small step when we needed a giant leap? What do you think? Let's discuss in the comments. And if you're excited about Samsung's upcoming foldables, don't miss our next video on Samsung G Fold, the game changer we've been waiting for. Click here to watch now. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time.